what is the best eating pattern for an Indian guy, right? If you're an Indian, a teenager, a guy who goes to work, an older guy, what is the best diet or what's the best eating pattern to lose weight, right? This is majority for I'm making the video for the majority of the Indians because majority of the Indians are fat, right? And they have problem or struggle losing weight. So I'm going to tell you on one way where you can eat Indian food, A, B, right? Focus on your family or your relationship or your work and still lose weight. So what's the eating pattern? Intermittent fasting. Of course, man, intermittent fasting. Now, before you close the video, I'm going to tell you why, right? Why it's the best for an Indian guy, right? If you're an Indian and if you're struggling to lose weight, right? I'm going to tell you why. All right. So if you see the Indian diet, right, the typical Indian diet, right, it's extremely high carbs. Okay, because everyone blames carbs for like weight loss. But first thing when they go for weight loss is or the fat loss is first thing is low carbs, right? Which is wrong way to approach it, right? Carbs play a very important role, but for an Indian guy, carbs are like unlimited. Like this is the extreme amount of carbs. Like once I tracked my food dieting and eating all Indian foods, right? Like whatever my mom made, and the carbs came up to 700 grams. 700 grams, right? And for guys like you, right, who are fat, you don't need that much of carbs. A, B, you need the amount of protein in Indian food is pretty less, right? If you are a vegetarian and you're an Indian, that's it, man. Weight loss is a nightmare, right? Because for me, I was a vegetarian, I was an Indian, and when I came into the industry, fitness industry, I want 15, 16 years of age. I didn't know how to lose weight because everything was high carbs. Rice, high carbs. Roti, high carbs. Chickpeas, high carbs. When I say carbs, there's more carbs than protein, right? Then what else? You have dal, high carbs. Any Indian food, you just take any Indian food, it has high carbs, right? You cannot eliminate carbs out from any of the Indian foods. And the thing is, I live with my parents, and when they make food, right, I have to eat that also, but that's all high carbs. So I started doing some work. I started doing some research, like how the hell do I lose weight, right? Because I need to keep my carbs to a minimum. That's when intermittent fasting came in, guys. Let me tell you why, right? So when you're doing intermittent fasting, when you're fasting for at least 16 hours a day, so during the 8 hours window, you can eat your Indian food, right? And you're taking your let's say whey protein or something for your protein goals if you're a vegetarian. So the amount of food you can eat during the 8 hours is pretty less, right? So when you track your calories come down automatically, and your carbs, because the majority of your calories are coming from your carbs. So if the calories drop down, your carbs will automatically drop down. So you're eating like not even 50%, not 40% of your carbs when compared to when eating the full day, right? So if you do like 15 to 17, 18 hours fast, you're eating to 6 to 8 hours. So during that 6 hours, how much food can you eat, man? Like, and you can eat, just stick to Indian food because that's your culture, that's how I eat, right? But the carbs will automatically drop down. Once the carbs automatically drop down, you will automatically lose weight. So hope this video helped you out. Do give intermittent fasting a try, and if you have any other doubts about intermittent fasting, you can check the other videos. I made a lot of videos on intermittent fasting, how you can start them, what all things you can do during intermittent fasting. So subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.